Hello guys, welcome to the TST token, and here the main page of the TST token, guys. So once you create your account and fill up the form and log in, this is the dashboard. Okay, and we have to do is to change, okay, your language. Okay, we have different kinds of language here, guys. So we go to the English first. Our language is English. Okay, so it's our panel that generating and monitoring your asset investment. Okay, right now, guys, I just started 4 days ago, and this is my TST token right now. It's 14.79 TST token. Okay, and you have to if you want to deposit here, you can just go buy a token, guys. Here, this is the tools to buy and tokens, and your affiliate structure, transaction, and the profile here, guys. Once you click panel, this is the panel, guys. Okay, and this is the TST wallet. Okay, click TST wallet, and this is your income for withdrawal. Okay, or reinvest. If you want to reinvest your income, just a minimum of $10. Okay, it's like a 100 TST token. You can reimburse that. Okay, just put there and mount and create requests. Okay, or reinvest, just put the inverse. Okay, here. Okay, here, guys, we can buy tokens here. Just click buy tokens, and we will go directly to the page, the panel page. Okay, before you do that, you just click on the top here, add wallet before buying. Okay, once you click this wallet buy, you need to put your the wallet that BTC came from. Okay, you just put it there. Okay, like example, I'm using local Bitcoin or blockchain. You can put inside there in your wallet. Okay, just put the wallet of Bitcoin, local Bitcoin or blockchain wallet, your blockchain or payer you're using it, just put it there. Okay, before you buying a token. Once you put it there, just go here this side. Okay, just put the BTC amount you want here. Okay, example, instead of BTC, so this like two. Okay, so just click it that, and you will see the 200 TST token. Okay, just click here, make a payment, BTC or any kind of your coins network you're using it. Okay, click the BTC, and all of this is come out here. Me, I'm using BTC, so this is already marked here. Okay, you enter, you just make it like that, like this. Okay, so I'm go ahead to BTC and proceed to payment. Okay, if you proceed to payment, you will direct to this page. Okay, this is the wallet address that you need to copy and paste it to your blockchain, local Bitcoin, or any, okay, to pay for this amount. Okay, okay, copy the wallet and the amount of BTC, okay, in your releasing BTC coins. Okay, if you want to cancel it, just cancel it. Okay, just cancel the payment, so you go back there. After the transaction, you will be automatically, the payment is in your dashboard. Okay, even this the time is lapse, you don't worry about, unless you copy all the character here. Even the payment, the time payment is done and you don't see it, you just wait a little bit. Okay, they are just confirming the payment in your wallet. Okay, so we just cancel this, cancel back. So we go back to this our page. Okay, and this is your calculator profit. Okay, if you buy like $50 and you calculate here, you get a 500 TST token, and you got 22.20 in 24 hours. Okay, and in 30 days you have 666 TST token. Okay, we go back to the our panel again, so you can see there, this is my source of income now in savings. I got now 7%. Okay, 9.414 the 103 TST token, and the other one is 127.33 TST token. I got a 6.5 TST token, 3%. And this one last night I just deposit. I got a 349.89 TST token, and in 24 hours I got 15.54. This guy's amount of $30, something like $30, which you can see here is $30, the 349.89, more than 39.49, 32, 33, 34, 34.56, okay, 35, 37, you got 37. Okay. Oh, so already over. Sorry. It's only 49, 33. Okay. It's 44. Okay. 34, like 66. Okay, 87. It's like 8, something like that. Okay, 349. Okay, I got $34.89. I just deposit last night. Okay, and I got the point here is like 15.54. Okay, this guys how you gonna look your profit every day, and you will be wait for 30 days for 133% income for your TST token, guys. And this your profit chart, so you can see how you every day here. This is the dividend, the earnings, and this is the deposit. Okay, you got a deposit here, guys. See, it's a nice there's another one here. See, I got 2 pages now, the other one and 2. The first one I bought it is this 103. Okay, and that's it, guys. Only this one we can show you how to generate your income. Okay, it's very easy. And this is your wallet monitoring. You can see your wallet here, your income, and the US dollars every day. You can see here, and the amount of BTC and Ethereum. Okay, if you guys have any question here, you just go in the pack. Okay, just read it and scroll down. Okay, this is the guys, you can see it. Okay, go back to the main page. Okay, that's it, guys. Only the updating our page, so stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much, and subscribe on this area in the bottom, and just log into the link that I sent it to you, guys. This is for the best source of income. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I love you, guys.